Dream client. This is me trying to build a 10K a month school agency in public, and I'm almost there. Very close, actually. And no comments, which is all good. So going over stats, and then how I got cooked. I didn't really get cooked this week. Week was fire. And then motherfucking stats, man. Stats lower than last week. No. I got 5 subs though. It's low-key kind of fire. Today's gonna be a shorter one probably, but this is still going up, which is really good. And no podcast because I've been mad goddamn busy. And then I got cooked. I think I wasted a day this week, but that was all good because I'm pushing my limit in terms of work by like a lot. Previously it was probably like 5 hours a day. Now it's like 8. And it's like good work, like good shit. So doing a lot more maker work. Maker is like making stuff. I know, crazy naming. And just working, bro. There isn't much. There isn't much this week. Oh yeah, bouncing back. Wow, I'm so valuable. Took me 1 minute and 30 and pausing the video to get to a point where I might say something useful to someone. So I mess up, right? I know, crazy. I'm human. And previously, it took me a while to kind of get out of messing up, but now I have like a set of actions that I follow, which is hella useful. So let's say I mess up for 5 minutes, then I stand up, play this song, chill a little, and then I get back into it. And it's like doing a reset is really important, and having the exact sequence in your head of like, okay, if I fuck up, then this thing will happen. Because that way you don't have to think about. It's easier to get out of it because you're doing like a habitual thing you've done before instead of doing something new, which is getting out of whatever situation you're in right now, which has some sort of novelty to it, right? Because that's what makes it interesting. So for a YouTube video, it's like I'm watching it because it's novel and that's why it's interesting. So me doing a habitual thing to get out of that is way easier than me just stopping. Yes. Okay. Goodbye. There will be more on the Dream Client stuff. It's just not right now.